Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to back up Google Workspace. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you want to back up your Google Workspace account's data before you delete your account. Now, let's try to delete an account from the Workspace. Simply click on the Delete User embed and then enter the target email address. Now, click on the User Information tab and a new page will load up. Here, you can see the Transfer Data section. If you want to migrate the Gmail, you can click here. If you want to back up data from these apps, you can click Transfer and then give an email address. Here it says it can be a manager, team leader, or a supervisor, or any other account you want to transfer the data to. Once you give the email address, you will click these boxes and you will delete the account. Once the account is deleted, the files in this account will be transferred to the email address that you have selected. So that's basically how you can back up Google Workspace. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.